What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're opening up 2 brand new Hot Wheels 10 packs with exclusive Lamborghinis. And we'll start it off with this 10 pack, which has a bunch of really cool cars and that Lamborghini. Let's go ahead and open it. And starting off at the bottom, we have the 2013 Dodge Viper. This one in a really cool looking color. Love the gray wheels on there, staggered as well. We get the nice stripe that goes down the center and the classic coupe Viper design. Next up, we have the Ford GT40. This one, a very cool looking car. We've got the Gumball 3000 riding on it as well. So a very classic color on this one. One of the coolest cars from the 1960s, obviously famous for winning Le Mans. And becoming a classic Hot Wheels fantasy casting, we have Street Creeper right here. This one in blue with a lot of chrome on here. Check out all the chrome engine right there. Really cool looking wheel tire combination as well. And all chrome and black base right there. You can see the chrome on the front. Very nice overall. Indy 500 oval in one of the coolest colors I think I've ever seen of this. I really like the black with the yellow and blue trim on there. Does that not look awesome? I love how we've got the guy in yellow. We've got a few different pieces of yellow on there. And then we have that really cool blue base on there, which just blends in with the trim. And then check out the wheels on here. Blacked out wheels with a chrome blue lip on them. I really like this car. Corvette C8R. This is the gray variation with the blacked out wheels on there. We've got C8R written just on the side. Obviously the big spoiler and diffuser on there. Very cool looking colorway of this one. We first saw it released in yellow. Now it's got this gray color, which is an exact imitation of the one in real life. Corvette logo on the top to go. SHARKRUISER. This one, it's blue base and trim with the chrome and the black on the top. And check out that logoing just right on there. That's very neat. Something interesting that we haven't seen before. And this engine is just massive with that chrome on there and that little tail on there as well. Volkswagen Beetle in a nice looking, kind of like a crazy looking yellow color. It's not like pure yellow, but it's almost got like a nice shine shimmer to it, which looks pretty neat. And I don't know about that, but does that look like, is that an air or some sort on there? I don't know what that is. There's something kind of stuck in the window right there. Maybe a piece of the box, could be an air. It does feel a little bit rubbery, so that's a little bit odd. I've never seen that before. We'll get another close-up look at it. If you guys know what that is, let me know in the comment section down below. If we look on the side though, we've got that nice color. We got good lighting on there, the nice stamping right there. Blacked out roof line on this one. Not too bad looking overall though. Jaguar XESV Project 8. This one, very dark. I love the look of this one. Blacked out windows on here. We even got an imitation of the carbon fiber roof on there. Check it out. Very glossy looking color, very shiny in the lights. Nice blacked out wheels, which look great on this as well. Then we got that big spoiler on the back of it and that nice diffuser. Jaguar looking good though. We've opened up many of these before and I know how much you guys love them. The KOENIGSEGG JESKO here in the pearl white color. And then we've got some nice highlighting on this. I really like the coloring right on here. The coloring that goes just right on that spoiler as well. It really outlines the car very nicely. The side of it to me is a little bit plain looking. Would have liked to see some color on there. Also, I think the wheels look slightly smaller than they would be in real life, but otherwise overall just a fantastic looking supercar, hypercar in real life. And our exclusive car of this 10 pack is the Lamborghini Aventador J. Check this one out in matte black. Such a stealth looking color. This looks like the Batmobile for sure. Really like it. We got the blacked out wheels with the chrome lip on there, and we do have a little bit of a shiny stripe that goes down the front right there. It actually doesn't go down the back at all. It just stops right at that front hood right there, or I guess it would be the frunk on a Lamborghini Aventador J. Nice logo on there, the lights. We look at the back, we got a great looking spoiler on there as well. Just an overall fantastic looking car, and it looks great in this stealth black color. And here's our second 10 pack, also with an exclusive Lamborghini. Let's go ahead and open this. And first up, we've got a fantasy car. We've got the Manta Racer. This one, just a single-seater race car. Really interesting looking graphics all over it. It's kind of just like It's a very scattered looking car on the top right there. Not really sure what to say about that. It's not as clean looking of a vehicle as I would like to see, but there is Monster Racer. Dodge Rampage right here, and check this one out. We've got the three-wheeler ATV in the back. It's period correct because, I mean, those were really popular back in the early to mid 80s, but nonetheless, this car right here, I mean, it's just like a mini pickup truck car. It's a car that's a pickup truck. It's kind of like the newer style El Camino on here. It actually doesn't look too bad. I like the gloss black, the red on here, red interior on there, nice chrome wheels, and it's even got a little tow hitch on the back. 1970 Toyota Celica. Check out the color on here. Very tealish looking color, and it looks to have like a nice wide body look, popular for drifting. It's even got that very popular drift front lip on there that you see kind of in some of those movies. And look at the back. Very, very wide stance on there. The lip spoiler on the back of it. Blacked out wheels. Overall, it's a fantastic looking designed car. Grupo X24, this is like a Hot Wheels variation of some sort of hypercar race car on there. Looks like it has center seat position for driving on there. Kind of ugly in the front, not a big fan of that, although I do really like the back. I like this fin. It reminds me of the Mercedes AMG one right there. Huge diffuser on there. Check that out, like the aerodynamics that it brings in. And then just check out the color on the bottom. It's like a matte copper finish. Really interesting. I've never seen that on the bottom of a car, but overall, Grupo 24 looks pretty neat. Mad Splash we've got right now, and this one is a Hot Wheels Racing Team color, so it's got that matte blue finish on it, chrome engine on the back, and just check out the water that it's just going through. We've got the clear wheels and tires. This is essentially a boat that's on top of this water to splash through it, so these are supposed to be like invisible wheels and tire combination. Very interesting casting that they've made. I mean, I feel like you didn't really have to put the water down below. You could have just had the actual boat itself. I mean, we've seen airplanes on there, but nonetheless, very, very interesting looking casting, and I do like it. Bugatti EB110 SS in blue. Very, very cool casting for a new for 2021 casting. Really, really like this one. We've got the Bugatti logo on the front. Check out the details for the front end of this one. Very, very awesome looking early 90s supercar. Good stamping on the rear. We got the raised spoiler on there. We've got the mid-engine just in the back right there. Overall, it's a fantastic looking design. Looks like we do have a little slight error on there, maybe a little bit of a paint chip or something. We just peeled that right off right now, but there we go. Bugatti Cyber Speeder. It's supposed to be a futuristic race car, hypercar on this one right here. It's got kind of some sort of like weird windows that come out on the side, which you can't even see the front of the car, so maybe it's like a self-driving car, probably electric. I like the colors of the tires on there. That's really cool. We don't really see that too often. Green base on this one. It's an overall weird designs car, but nonetheless, we've got it in a Hot Wheels format. Formula Flashback, and this is supposed to be a classic Formula One car right here, blacked out. Really like the back of this one. I like that like classic looking Hot Wheels logo coloring on there with the stripe. Chrome for the inside, 8 for maybe like an 8 ball. Looks kind of like an 8 ball on there. Very, very cool. Blacked out wheels, nice colored lip on there, but it's a great looking like classic Indy car. I really, really do like it. Or Formula One car. Maybe we'll compare it to our Indy 500 oval right here as I drop it, but you can see kind of like the newer style race car compared to an older style race car. I mean, this is Indy, this is Formula One, but still very, very similar. I like them both. 1990 Acura NSX or Honda NSX, depending on which side of the world you're on, but this one with a lot of different striping and stuff on it. Blacked out wheels with the chrome lip. We've got that nice like open airy top with the glass window and all of that, and the front end, just check it out. It's almost got like outlining around the edges of the car. That looks really, really neat. We don't see that too often. You can see how it continues just down the side with lots of striping and outlining. Nice detail on the back, and then we've got that nice raised spoiler on there. But overall, we've seen a lot of different recolors of this NSX, and I think it's a good looking car. And finally, our second exclusive 10-pack car. It's the Lamborghini Aventador J, this time in a pearlish yellow color. Check it out. And I'm just a big fan of the design of this car, and I think when they release all the new colors of it, I feel like this is my new favorite, and then the next color comes out and I'm like, that's my new favorite of that color. I feel like so many good colors work on this car. It's just such an exotic looking car, and we'll actually grab our blacked out matte black finish one in our other exclusive 10 pack, and you can just see how amazing both of these cars look, especially in these very, very different colors. The matte black and our very out there yellow color on there. Which one of these is your favorite, guys? Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.